So some minor changes in our login template. So some fixes to a space required, and also the text color and a login. So they will have a distance and an icon. Okay, come here to login to span and refresh. So we have a space here, and okay. So, so we have a class in our login blade which we can find no padding. So remember me, there is a no padding class, and we will set it to 0. So class no padding, and padding will be 0, and margin style, let's find it. If we have a class margin style, so we have remember me a class, a default custom class, we have set margin style. So we will set margin top, its margin top for remember me a 2 pixel. Okay, class margin style, and margin top 2 pixel, and see it. So it will set margin top. Okay, next class we have a text color. So we can find our class here in text color. So text color. So log into our class text color, and we will set its color in our style. Text color, text color will be hash 01 C3FF. So we can check it. So our text color is log into smart expense keeping. We have changed the color from it. Okay, next class is forgot link, and we will find it in our here forget link. So it is not in so forget your password. So we have a class forget link. So forgot link, and for forget link, so we will set its color and text decoration to none, and when we hover it, so we will change its color. Okay, right now it's not, when we hover it, it's not changing its color, and you can see its text decoration is underlying, and we have to remove this text decoration. Come to style, and we will get anchor tag, and forgot link, and color will be hash or pound sign 515 51595E, and to remove the underline we have to give a text decoration none. And when we hover it, forgot link, and forgot link, so we set to hover, so color will be hash 01C3FF, and let's check it. So refresh. So when you see the underline line is removed, and when we hover its color is changed. So that's the minor fixes in our login style.